Hello guys, Anonymous Stacker here. Today I'm not going to show any shiny metal or my stack because today we're going to be talking about how to read charts, especially for beginners. It's going to be a very basic educational video on charts and how to read them. And the reason I decided to make this video today is because the YouTubers who are making videos and content about stacking silver and gold almost never talk about charts and the technical analysis. They're mostly about fundamentals, and that's because they don't really need to. Because everyone is stacking for different reasons. Somebody's stacking for SHTF situation, or for their retirement, or as an emergency fund, or they want to pass it on to their children. Some of them are selling their silver just to flip some coins and make extra buck to buy more silver. The reason people read charts is to find the best entry and exit strategy. But for the YouTubers who are making the videos about the stacking, don't care about the exit strategy because they almost never want to get out of it unless it's a SSTF or retirement or whatever their goals are. And about entry, it's not even relevant to them for entry as well because they are consistently buying either weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on their income or their salary and their financial situations. So they're cost averaging, which is a very good strategy. There's nothing wrong with it, but I would still like to educate you guys on how to read charts because it may be beneficial to know what's going on with the technical aspect of gold, silver, copper, Bitcoin, or whatever financial asset that you are interested in. Maybe it's stocks or bonds or anything that you might want to trade, even Forex. So first thing is the best platform is tradingview.com. It's right here, and it's totally free. Um, and yeah, so what most of us, when we look at charts, we look at something like this. This is a line chart, and there's two axes. So down here it shows you the date or the time, and on the right hand side it shows the price. Okay, so for example, if I go right here, it says on 6th of November the price was right here. The price was 25.61. You can either check here or you can check here. Wherever you're hovering the cursor on, it's going to show you the price either here or here. Okay, and the date is going to be right here. Pretty simple, right? But this line bar is not actually giving you a whole picture. There's a lot of other things going in the sidelines. So that's why whenever you open this up, just go here and pick up candlesticks. Okay? So the red candle is that the price is going down, the green is going up. And sorry, I forgot to mention that here is the symbol search of what you want to look for. I always recommend that you guys open up Oanda. It's one of the best trading platforms, so they give you a very accurate price. So just try to stick with one of these guys. You can either find Oanda or FXCM. So just type in silver and find Oanda. Okay, just pick it up and you can see that it's right here, XAGUSD. It's silver against US dollars. Okay, you can also check XAG against XAU or XAU against XAG, which is gold to silver ratio. There's an option to do that here as well. So this candle. So once you open this, now the next thing you want to know is about the time frame. The time frame is 1 minute, means this candle represents 1 minute. So right now it's 10 p.m. in this part of the world. It's GMT plus 4. So this candle here closed at 9:59. It opened up at 9:59, and this was the price it opened up at, 24.7428, and after 1 minute it closed down at 24.72. So if you hold shift and press here and go down, you'll see that it moved about 1 cent. So now just now another minute started, so this bar came in right here. So this bar was 1 minute, this bar is 1 minute, this is the live price right now. So the bigger the time frame, that means you're trying to speculate on future price. Okay, so if you're picking 1 minute time frame, you're expecting to see the results for about next 5 or 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, but because most of us are stacking silver for a long term, I would recommend at least picking a day. You could also go down and pick 1 week. So now this candle is 1 week. If it's green, that means when it opened up. Since it opened up, it's gone up. Okay, so this candle could go red if it opened up today on Monday. So if it fell down throughout the week, it's gonna turn red once it goes below 24.20, because that's when it opened up. So for example, last week this candle opened at 30th of November, as you can see down here, and it closed on I believe 5th, yeah, 5th of December, and then and the market opened up today again. So last week we had a rise of 6.88%. Again, to do that, you just press shift from where you want to start and till where you want to go, and it's going to show you the price that changed. $1.5 changed, which is about 6.88% of the asset. Okay, so this is the weekly chart. I'll just focus on the daily so it's more easier to understand, and we can also see what the price is doing right now. And what this thing is saying is that the candle is going to close in 3 hours and 56 minutes, and then the next candle is going to pop up. Okay, pretty simple, right? So the difference between the candle and the bar is, you see right here, the dip on 30th November, it shows that the price was at 22.65. So as soon as we change it to candlestick, you see it is at 22.56. But what is this line right here? It's called the wick. That means is when this day opened up from here, it went all the way down here during the day, but before the day ended, it came right here. So this is called a wick, and this is the body. The green one right here is the body, and this is the wick. So that means there was a very big rejection. The seller said, no, this is too cheap of a price, so we need to push it up. The buyer stepped in, and sorry, I'm just all around. I'm just going everywhere because there's too much to tell you guys in a very short time. So I'm just trying to put everything, together. Okay, but okay. So this pattern is called a pin bar. This is a very good rejection candle, and that this also could imply that the price is about to reverse. But just because this is here does not mean that you must buy anything at whenever you see this. It should also have something like on a support level. So you guys can see this area was very effective before. This area has been tested multiple times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and then the 5th time right here. So this is a support. If it has more than 3 times rejected on the same level, now that's a support. Okay, but today I'm just going to teach you about the candlesticks. And also another thing is you can also use the EMA, which is the moving average. Moving average also helps you guide, the price, and mostly this can also act as a very nice support or resistance, and it can also help you identify the trend. If the price is above The 200 EMA, the 200 EMA means EMA is exponential moving average, and 200 is that it's counting the last 200 bars. So in this case, because we opened a day, so one bar or one candle is one day, and the last 200 candles is what the data is entering into it, and it's giving us the average price. So the average price for the last 200 days shows you right here when you hover around that day. So if I go to this day, so today for the last 200 days, the average price has been $21.9. Okay. Anyhow, I hope it kind of helped you out a little bit to understand and get started. And if you guys like this content, please let me know. Okay, if this was helpful to you guys, I can explain you more in depth about the different indicators that you can use. Sorry, I'll also teach you how to add this indicator. Just go to this icon right here and just type EMA. All right, just open it up and then you'll have the EMA. Go on settings. Right now it's on 9, so the last 9 days, but we want to have a long term. Why isn't it working? Oh my god. Let me try it again. So we go right here, EMA. I don't know what's wrong. It's hiding it, but I can't click this button. Strange. It's very strange. So usually what happens is once you click this, it just shows you a setting and then you change the number from 9 to 200. Right now, this line is 9 for the last 9 days. It's a very short term one, but I don't know why. Okay, let me just add a 200 EMA. Hopefully somebody has made it for us. Okay, yeah, let's just pick this for now. But that is very strange. I don't know why that happened. So now it's showing us 3. Let me see if I can go to settings for this one. Wow, I can't. Anyways, on this one, the purple line is the 200, and the green one is, so it's 50, 100. Okay, so this one is 50 EMA, this one is 100, and this one is 200. Just to have a different idea, this is another strategy called alligator strategy. So I'm just gonna close it down. I don't know why this is happening. Maybe there's something wrong with the TradingView platform or something. So let me know if you guys like such content and if you guys want to learn more about how to read charts, and you can also use this in your stock market entries and exits, or your bonds or forex trading or Bitcoin or crypto, whatever it might be. So this is I opened all of these up just to talk about different precious metal prices, but because of you know shortage of time, I have to close down this topic right now. Oh, I put XLM. Okay, yeah. Anyhow, let me know if you guys like this. Please like, share, and subscribe. I would highly appreciate it, and that will motivate me to bring you more content such as this one. So I'm gonna see you in the next one, and take care.